Rooms in a house. Bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another English lesson. Today, we're going to learn vocabulary about rooms in a house, the different places inside a home where people live, eat, sleep, and do many activities. This is very useful vocabulary for daily conversations. Bedroom. Where we sleep and rest. A bedroom is the room where we sleep, rest, and keep our clothes. It usually has a bed, a closet, and maybe a table or desk. Examples. I sleep in my bedroom. There is a big bed in the bedroom. My bedroom is next to the bathroom. Kitchen. Where we cook food. A kitchen is the room where we cook, prepare food, and sometimes eat. It usually has a stove, a refrigerator, a sink, and cabinets. Examples. My mom is cooking in the kitchen. We have a big fridge in the kitchen. I like to eat breakfast in the kitchen. Bathroom. Where we shower and wash. A bathroom is the room where we take a shower, wash our hands, brush our teeth, and use the toilet. Examples. I take a shower in the bathroom every morning. The bathroom is next to my bedroom. Please wash your hands in the bathroom. Living room. Where we relax and spend time together. The living room is where we watch TV, talk with family, and relax. It usually has a sofa, chairs, a table, and a TV. Examples. We watch movies in the living room. There's a big sofa in the living room. My family spends the evening in the living room. Dining room. Where we eat meals. The dining room is the room where the family sits together to eat lunch or dinner. It usually has a table and chairs. Examples. We eat dinner in the dining room. There's a big table in the dining room. The dining room is next to the kitchen. Other rooms, optional vocabulary. Garage. Where we park the car. Office, study. Where we read or work. Basement. The room under the house. Attic. The space at the top of the house, often for storage. Quick review. Bedroom. Sleep. Kitchen. Cook. Bathroom. Wash. Living room. Relax. Dining room. Eat. That's it for today's lesson. Learning the names of rooms in English will help you talk about your home and describe where things happen in daily life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.